Noise pollution is an increasingly common concern for Warren homeowners. Traffic, nearby businesses, construction activity, and even everyday neighborhood sounds can disrupt comfort inside the home. Over time, constant noise can affect sleep, concentration, and overall well-being. One of the most effective ways to create a quieter living environment is by upgrading to modern windows designed specifically to reduce sound transmission. Today's window technology goes far beyond basic glass. Modern windows play a key role in minimizing noise pollution while also improving comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for Warren families. Multi-pane glass creates a sound barrier. One of the biggest improvements in modern windows is the use of double or triple pane glass. Unlike older single-pane windows, multiple layers of glass create barriers that interrupt sound waves as they travel indoors. Each pane absorbs and deflects sound vibrations, reduces the intensity of outside noise, helps maintain a calmer indoor environment for Warren homes near busy roads or community areas. Multi-pane windows make a noticeable difference. Insulated gas fills enhance noise reduction between the glass panes in modern windows as an insulating gas, typically argon or krypton. While these gases are well known for improving energy efficiency, they also help reduce noise. Gas-filled spaces, slow sound wave movement, reduce echo and vibration, improve overall acoustic insulation. This extra layer of sound protection contributes to quieter living spaces throughout the home. Improved ceiling blocks noise leaks. Noise often enters through gaps around windows rather than directly through the glass. Older windows may have worn seals or poor alignment that allow sound to leak inside. Modern windows feature compression-style weather stripping, precision-engineered frames, tight-fitting sashes. These features eliminate gaps that allow both air and sound to pass through, significantly reducing noise intrusion. Thicker and laminated glass options. Many modern windows offer thicker glass or laminated glass options for enhanced noise control. Laminated glass includes a special interlayer that absorbs sound vibrations more effectively than standard glass. Benefits include reduced traffic and street noise, less disturbance from outdoor activity, improved indoor comfort. This option is especially beneficial for Warren homeowners seeking extra quiet. Window frame materials that reduce vibration. The frame material plays an important role in how sound travels. Modern window frames are designed to minimize vibration and enhance sound insulation. Effective materials include vinyl frames with insulated chambers, fiberglass frames known for stability, composite materials engineered for acoustic performance. These frames work alongside the glass to further reduce noise transmission. Professional installation makes a big difference. Even the most advanced noise-reducing window won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures windows are properly aligned, sealed, and secured. Expert installers eliminate gaps around the frame, ensure full contact between window components, maximize acoustic performance. Proper installation is essential for achieving noticeable noise reduction in Warren homes. Quieter homes improve everyday living. Reducing noise pollution isn't just about comfort, it improves quality of life. Homes with quieter interiors offer a more peaceful environment for families, remote workers, and anyone seeking relaxation. Homeowners often notice better sleep quality, improved focus and productivity, reduced stress from constant noise. A quieter home supports healthier, more enjoyable living. Added benefits beyond noise reduction. Modern windows offer more than sound control. They also provide improved energy efficiency, better temperature consistency, enhanced curb appeal, increased property value. These added benefits make window upgrades a smart long-term investment. A practical solution for Warren neighborhoods. Whether dealing with traffic noise, nearby activity, or general neighborhood sounds, modern windows offer Warren homeowners a practical, effective solution for noise pollution. Creating a quieter home with modern windows. Modern windows play a crucial role in reducing noise pollution in Warren homes. With multi-pane glass, insulated gas fills, advanced ceiling systems, durable frames, and professional installation, they transform noisy interiors into calm, comfortable spaces. For homeowners seeking peace and quiet without sacrificing style or efficiency, upgrading to modern windows is a powerful step toward a more comfortable, restful home environment.